Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. I love you all and you love us so gorgeous designs for lady to crochet. And this video is all about the top blouses designs. Crochet top blouses designs are so amazing, gorgeous videos, gorgeous ideas. These so stunning, elegant ideas. If any videos lead you to more elegance, more gorgeous, more attractive, delightful designs for uploaded for you, and different gorgeous top blouses are so amazing. It have beans. It has different amazing tops. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with these counting and multiple turning and never out of fashion, never. You can own solid tops, and okay, this one is so pretty, and flat tummy is here now. This is an solid tops, and my favorite blue and white combinations that obsessed with pink are so pretty tops and so pretty models is so very pretty. These tops insides and crochet top is up this things. This is my golden is black and so pretty. This is gathering point peach white, okay, so this is something like formal, and with the formal and multiple colors I have better with this top and with this amazing. So wow, like to show so pretty, so looking like these colors, how black, green and white. Okay, it has a design step black, okay, blue, yellow, and we carry the jeans and short unique pants. It has a small, okay, crochet amazing suits are so amazing. You can find to website all of. If you want, comment in down. I will post this link in channel. This crop top is fine. Okay, I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching our videos. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel.